What if your phone could connect to satellites when there's no service, or charge fully in just 30 minutes? The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra could make these sci-fi tech dreams a reality. Samsung's next big flagship phone is shaping up to deliver some massive upgrades. From camera to battery life and beyond, the S24 Ultra sounds seriously impressive so far based on early rumors. But which changes have us most excited? Let's take a look at 10 big changes based on the rumors. 1. Blazing fast processor. The S24 Ultra is rumored to feature either Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip or Samsung's own Exynos 2400 processor, depending on region. Both are expected to use advanced 4nm manufacturing for improved efficiency and performance. They will likely utilize ARM's new Cortex-X3 CPU core design, offering significant gains over the X2 cores in current chips. The GPU is also expected to get a major bump, potentially around 50% faster graphics. With the chipset pushing CPU speeds over 3 GHz and more memory bandwidth, the S24 Ultra will feel lightning quick at all tasks. From launching apps instantly to sustaining high frame rates in games, it should set a new standard for phone speed when it arrives. 2. Massive camera hardware improvements. The Galaxy S24 Ultra camera system is poised for major hardware upgrades according to leaks. The main 200MP sensor is rumored to grow in size to capture more light and detail. But the biggest change will likely be a new 5x telephoto camera using a 50MP sensor, replacing the S23 Ultra's 10MP 10x periscope. Combined with updated software processing, this will massively boost optical zoom quality. A dual telephoto setup with 3 to 10 times variable optical zoom is also rumored. With these sensor and lens enhancements, the S24 Ultra will elevate zoom and low-light photography to new levels. The improved hardware combined with Samsung's excellent image processing will make the S24 Ultra one of the most versatile camera phones available. 3. Display brightness boost. The S24 Ultra's 6.8-inch QHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED display will get a sizable brightness boost according to leaks. Samsung is said to be aiming for a peak brightness of 2,500 nits versus just 1,750 nits in the S23 Ultra. For context, 2,500 nits is comparable to what a high-end QLED TV can produce. This will lead to vastly improved HDR, making supported content really pop. The brighter panel will also be far easier to view outdoors in direct sunlight when set to max manual brightness. Higher brightness makes colors appear more vivid and lifelike to the human eye. If the rumor holds true, the S24 Ultra display will offer an eye-catching viewing experience, living up to Samsung's display reputation. 4. Sleeker titanium frame. Rumors indicate that Samsung will replace the aluminum side frame on the S24 Ultra with more premium titanium. Titanium offers increased hardness and durability versus aluminum, giving the phone a more luxurious feel in the hand. But it's also lighter than aluminum, so the S24 Ultra may slim down ever so slightly compared to its predecessor. The new titanium frame will complement the front and back Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the S24 Ultra for a sleek yet resilient exterior. While still recognizably a Galaxy S series phone, the titanium trim will help the S24 Ultra stand out from its siblings and past generations. It's a small touch that contributes to a more polished, high-end aesthetic. 5. Faster 65 watts charging speeds. One consistent request from Samsung fans is faster charging, and the S24 Ultra is rumored to deliver just that with 65 watt speeds. That's a sizable increase from the 45 watts charging of the S23 series. 65 watts should allow the S24 Ultra's battery to go from 0 to 50% charge in just under 30 minutes, based on comparable phones. phones. While not as blazing fast as the 100 watts plus charging of some competitors, 65 watts will still provide a great balance of safety and speed. It's fast enough to juice up during a lunch break without excess heat or battery wear concerns. Considering how quickly phone batteries drain with heavy use like gaming or navigation, faster charging is a practical upgrade to keep the S24 Ultra powered up on the go. 6. Memory. Up to 16 GB RAM. While 8 GB of RAM is plenty for most users, power users will appreciate rumors that the S24 Ultra may offer configurations with a massive 16 GB of RAM. That doubles the current maximum of 12 GB in the S23 Ultra. More RAM reduces app reloading and allows for extensive multitasking. It also provides lots of overhead for keeping dozens of browser tabs open. For mobile gamers, the extra memory enables smooth play, even for very demanding titles. And for creative professionals editing high-res photos or video on the device, the RAM upgrade is great for stability and performance with large files. Even as apps become more optimized over time, having gobs of fast LPDDR5 RAM future-proofs the S24 Ultra to simply handle whatever users throw at it. 7. Emergency satellite connectivity. Satellite connectivity is one rumored feature that would make the S24 Ultra more capable in emergency scenarios. Like the iPhone 14, the S24 Ultra is said to potentially gain the ability to connect to satellites when outside of cellular range. Users could then send basic SMS messages to emergency services or contacts when in remote areas lacking service. Satellite access opens up backcountry travel or off-grid use cases by giving you that lifeline in case of emergency. Beyond emergency use, satellite messaging could theoretically work for simple communication when camping or hiking, though bandwidth limitations will restrict it to text-only apps. While niche, satellite access would still give the S24 Ultra unique capability unmatched by other Android flagships. 8. Enhanced vapor chamber cooling. To sustain the best possible performance from its cutting-edge chipset, the S24 Ultra will likely employ an upgraded internal cooling system. Vapor chamber cooling could see improvements to increase heat dissipation from the processor and battery. This would allow the S24 Ultra to run at peak speeds for longer durations without succumbing to thermal throttling. Efficient cooling translates directly to smoother gaming with higher sustained frame rates. It can also benefit multi-core driven tasks like video editing or 3D rendering that lean heavily on the CPU and GPU. For typical day-to-day use, an enhanced cooling system may seem overkill, but for Galaxy Power users, it will help the S24 Ultra reach its performance potential. Along with the software-side optimizations Samsung is known for, advanced vapor chamber cooling will be crucial to delivering the S24 Ultra's blazing speed. 9. Larger battery capacity. While the 5,000 mAh battery in the S23 Ultra already provides excellent battery life, Samsung may squeeze in even more capacity for the S24 Ultra. Rumors point to a new stacked battery design that increases energy density for the same physical size. Combined with a more efficient new chipset, Samsung could boost typical battery life by around 10%, equating to roughly an extra 1 to 2 hours of average use. That's impressive considering how power-hungry upcoming silicon and displays are expected to be. The S24 Ultra will need to balance that with efficiency gains and a larger packed-in battery. For travelers, hikers, or even just busy professionals, any battery life gains are always appreciated. And with faster charging rumored as well, the S24 Ultra is shaping up to be a productivity and entertainment powerhouse. 10. Improved S Pen integration. As the only premium phone lineup with built-in stylus support, the Galaxy S Ultra models cater nicely to artists, note-takers, and productivity-focused users. While the S Pen sees iterative improvements each generation, rumors suggest the S24 Ultra's S Pen may get more substantial upgrades. That could include new Bluetooth-powered air gestures for quick remote control of apps or the camera shutter. Tighter software integration for lower latency and improved palm rejection is also likely, making writing and drawing feel more natural. And updated apps tailored to the S Pen like Samsung Notes and Pen Up may add helpful new creative features or better handwriting and gesture recognition. Both the stylus hardware and S Pen-focused software could see meaningful improvements to deliver the best digital pen experience yet on the S24 Ultra. Those are the biggest changes slated for the Galaxy S24 Ultra based on the rumors so far. Faster charging, a brighter screen, and satellite connectivity have us especially excited. Of course, specs aren't everything. We'll have to go hands-on to see how well Samsung executes on these upgrades. But on paper, the S24 Ultra is shaping up to be a worthy successor with some seriously drool-worthy features. Let us know which rumored change has you most hyped for the S24 Ultra in the comments.